So our local town is trying to put together some car shows. It started as like a food truck market, and they're trying to make it kind of like a family fun event. So I figured today was a good chance to go down to this car show and just kind of see how it is and see what might show up. And exciting for me, this is going to be the first car show that I can take my new baby son to. Just at 2 months now, so yeah, got to get him started in the car world nice and early. Come along, see what cars are there, and hopefully it's a good turnout.